Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Kevin in Illinois on his Stryker SR-955. Kevin, you sent it in, had two blown finals. Looks like it had some blown finals before. They mismatched. They had a couple RF 520s in there and a couple FQP 13N10s. Now you've got all matched 520s. You wanted just the basic tune and alignment, and well, we did just that, as long as along with the electrolytic capacitors. 50 watt slug. It's 2 watts all the way down, that we get full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. 48 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 87 peak. Alright, Kevin, it's ready to come back to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com.
Get wise and get truckerized today.